The threat actors responsible for the Android Trojan known as BrasDex that has been seen focusing on Brazilian users as part of an ongoing multi-platform campaign are also thought to be responsible for the Windows banking malware known as Casbaneiro. According to a study released by ThreatFabric last week, BrasDex has a sophisticated keylogging system designed to exploit accessibility services to harvest credentials especially from a selection of Brazilian targeted apps, as well as a highly competent automated transfer system, ATS, engine. The command and control, C2, infrastructure used in combination with BrasDex, according to the Dutch security firm, is also being used to manage Casbaneiro, a known attack against banks and cryptocurrency services in Brazil and Mexico. Thousands of infections have reportedly been caused by the hybrid Android and Windows malware operation to date. The fake banking software for Banco Santander called BrasDex is representative of a new trend that uses Android's accessibility APIs to capture keystrokes made by the victims rather than the more conventional overlay attacks to steal passwords and other personal information. Additionally, it is designed to record account balance data, which it then uses to programmatically hijack affected devices and start fraudulent activities. Another noteworthy feature of BrasDex is its exclusive concentration on the Pix payment system, which enables Brazilian banks users to send money using only their email addresses or phone numbers. The ATS system in BrasDex is specifically made to take use of Pix technology to conduct erroneous transfers. The quick payment ecosystem has previously been the target of malicious actors. Checkpoint described two Android malware families called Pix Stealer and Mall Rhino in September 2021. These families persuaded users to transfer all of their account funds to an actor-controlled account. Through its research into BrasDex, ThreatFabric was also able to access the C2 panel that the criminals were using to monitor the infected devices and recover data logs that had been exfiltrated from the Android phones. As it happens, the C2 panel is also being used to monitor another malware operation that targets Windows devices in order to spread the financial Trojan Casbaneiro, which is built on Delphi. This attack chain uses multi-staged phishing lures with a package delivery theme that seemed to be from the state-owned postal service Correios to trick recipients into running the malware. Casbaneiro has all the standard backdoor capabilities, including the ability to collect screenshots, perform keylogging, steal clipboard data, and even operate as clipper malware to steal cryptocurrency transactions. According to ThreatFabric, BrasDex and Casbaneiro represent a particularly hazardous combination because they are separate and complete malware families, allowing the actor behind them to attack both Android and Windows users on a big scale. Because fraudulent payments made automatically with the aid of ATS engines look genuine because they are done using the same device that consumers typically use, the BrasDex case highlights the need for fraud detection and prevention tools to be installed on customers' devices.